Good afternoon everyone. My name is Jessica, daughter of Madhavan. My student ID is TG2004. Today we are going to solve the theoretical questions for Western Bridge. Let's see first the circuit and the questions. For this circuit we have to find out the voltage across the each resistor. For VR1 until VR4. So next question we have to find the voltage between A and B. The last question is calculate the value of potentiometer for R4. Let me write the questions on paper. Okay, for now I already done my calculation and also circuit. Okay, to find out the voltage across the R1, we use this formula R1 divided by R1 plus R2 and times with the power supply, which is given on the circuit is 12 volt. So after you insert the value, can get 4 voltage by using calculator. That's the same formula I use for VR1 and VR2. According to the VR3, the formula is R3 divided by R3 plus R4 times with power supply. The formula is still going to same. So the voltage for each resistor is find out ready. So next questions, calculate the voltage between A and B. So I take the R2 as a VA and R4 as a VB. So just you have to, it's up to you. You want to show the way also can, or just take the value of VR2 and VR4 minus also can directly. So VA minus VB is equal to negative 1.6 voltage. So in this case the circuit is unbalanced. If balanced means the voltage will be 0, but for me it's get negative 1.6 voltage. So this circuit is unbalanced. So the last question is I have to calculate the value of potentiometer to balance the circuit. So the question they ask what the value of R4 to balance the circuit. So I use this formula RA and RB are same. RA equal to RB. So I take the RA value and RB value and cross multiply from the simulation. I get this formula, which is R4 equal to R2 times with R3 divided by R1, because we have to find out the R4, right? So use this formula. From R4, by inserting the value, I get 100 ohm to balance the bridge. So you can see here, to balance the bridge 100 ohm is right or not. So you can see the difference. For R1 is 50, the R3 also 50, but R2 is 100, but here got 200, is more than 100. To balance the circuit, the R4 should be 100 ohm. So that's all from me. Thank you.